wash your hands was once controversial medical advice.
What?
Biro mo yan?
Controversial samantalang ngayon, parang over the pandemic,
Oh,
I've never washed my
you know,
hands
it all
as often.
started with this one man who was concerned about how mothers in Austria were dying in the OB ward of their hospital after doctors delivered their babies.
Oh, kawawa naman.
Oh.
Oh,
So ito
kwento pa.
itong pangalan niya si
Ignaz
Ignaz Semmelweis, and he was an OB practicing in Austria. Okay. So ito yung problem. In 1847, the Vienna General Hospital OB ward, the doctor's wing had a high 10% mortality rate of birthing mothers.
Oh no.
Yes. So biro mo, out of every 1,000 moms who come to the hospital, 100 will die.
My
Ang
God.
taas. Pero ito, sa
Oh.
midwives wing,
Oh.
the rate was only 1%.
What? Bakit ganun? Bakit
Oo.
mas marami pag doktor mismo ang nag-anak
Oh,
sa'yo?
yung midwives pa ba? So nagtaka si Dr.
Oh, yun na.
Semmelweis, and this is what he
Discovered.
or ito yung observation niya, ito yung theory niya. Sabi niya, ito pa, we'll mention na kumalat sa Austria. So mga nanay or would-be nanays, natatakot silang pumunta sa hospital. They would rather give birth in the street than go to the hospital. Biro mo?
Oo, kasi pupunta ka ng hospital, mga mamatay ka pa, di ba?
Oo. So ang
bigger
sabi ni
chances.
ni Semmelweis, he believed na yung mga doktor who were handling the cadavers na ino-autopsy niya, na-infect yung women.
Kasi hindi sila naghuhugas
Hindi
ng kamay.
naghuhugas ng kamay.
Ay, nako
Biro
naman.
mo. So sabi niya, he instituted a small change. Sabi niya, mga dok, maghugas muna kayo ng kamay ninyo bago mag-deliver kayo ng baby.
Naman, ano?
Yun lang yung change na sinabi niya.
Oh.
Pero, biro mo, how did they respond?
Oh.
The doctors were appalled and annoyed, and they complained. Sabi nila, washing hands before treating a pregnant woman was too much work.
Ano ba yan?
Nakakatamad daw, hindi na raw kailangan. Pero because Semmelweis was the boss, they followed the policy, and this is what happened.
Oh.